All right, guys, we're wheeling and dealing here. We're on a roll. Anyway, what we're doing is we're going ahead and I just degreased the rims, put purple clean, let them sit. I scrubbed them, clean them up a little bit. It looks like these things have been like house painted. It's like a latexy paint kind of. So I've been trying to sand that down. If you go back in some of the videos previously, up in the corner here, I went ahead and cut the rivets out and punched them through. I left a few because some of them are actually good with the clips. So that's what we're doing. Now, I got some surface rust still in here. I'm going to go ahead and just kind of sand that down. And then I'll go ahead and spray some spray paint on them. Prevent rust there. I don't want to rust any further inside the wheels. So that's what we're going to do right now. I got to go ahead and do the same as on the inner beads. I want to go ahead and grind all that up too because I want a smooth surface. I want to go ahead and mount my tires here. It depends on how pitted they are. I may have to use some bead sealer, which is fine. All right, so I got my little wheel stand. So I'm just using this weed eater wire. Right now I'm going to spray inside the rim just to put a protective barrier over the inside because we had some rust in there, so I went ahead and used the wire wheel on it. So now I just want to go ahead and seal it with a Rust-Oleum. Spray the inside. Just go ahead and seal. Put a little barrier over the old rust in here. Okay. Put gloves on because I always get this paint on my finger. We got a little bit of running here. Running a little bit, that's fine. This isn't really the proper mask to be wearing for this, but better than nothing. All right, so now we got that going. Okay. Now I got a Rust-Oleum high performance enamel. This is what I used on the 71 Westy, and it worked pretty well. So we're going to go ahead and spray the face and the rear of this. And we'll try it out. I've been shaking this for a while. Okay, let's try it out. Put several coats on here. I don't want to get much dripping here. You know, we do have a lot of pitting on these rims, but they were given to me by a good friend, and it was nice of him. But you know what? I think we'll be able to make them work. It's a lot, but we'll try to save this wheel. We'll do all we can to save it. I like saving everything. So I'm glad I got a hold of them because maybe someone may not. Who knows? Look at that. Now normally it'd be kind of like an off-white, like cream color. It's kind of like the color of these rims from factory, but this white is going to be pretty nice. It'll look pretty nice. Well, we're doing a little bit of painting, sanding, grinding, wire brushings. So that's what we're doing now. This one had a lot of pitting, a lot of rust too. Well, I mean, all of them do. And don't mean to make these sound like garbage. They're no means garbage wheels. It's just taking a little work to get them a little presentable. And I'm not making them perfect. You know, just trying to make them workable. You know, all you need to do is roll. A little decent, you know. This one had the tabs bent on a couple of them, so I tried to get them flush a little bit. It's these two. I think I got to pound these ones a little more flat. These two here, but these were like pushed all the way, kind of pushed out a good amount. So once we tighten them on the wheel, I think it'll adjust that. All right, so the wheels wire brushed, painted. I put one coat on them right now, maybe 1 or 2 coats on them. That's 3 of the rims. 3 is all I have. So we got that going right now. Tomorrow might go ahead and put another coat on them. And then probably let them dry for 2 or 3 days. And then I'm gonna go ahead and mount the tires. And then I'll go ahead and put the clips on. And we'll see how that works. But that's all we're doing now. Like I said, I'm still looking for 2 more. And I guess we're gonna go from there. But thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching, and we'll keep you posted on the next update. Thanks guys, have a good night.